We made it to Luxembourg. Now we're on our way to our hostel, also called Berg de Jeunesse. De Jeunesse? I don't know. My French isn't too good anymore, unfortunately. But yeah, all the way down, and it's raining. We just checked in a hostel, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in just a second. So this is the entrance door, and you just come in here. And then we have these wonderful wooden beds. Wow. Lockers. And of course, first the tables, and of course, a wonderful view. Look at this. So now we have made our beds down here and down here, and we're off to the city center. And I didn't show you, but we also have a bathroom. Here's the wonderful bathroom, shower, sink, and then the toilet separately. Wow. My burger. Sharing is caring. I got half of Penis burger, and she got half of mine. Where we just ate, and here is a big place and a church. I think would have been a little bit prettier if it was not raining, but you still enjoy the view. So we just found this store, Monoprix, and we have no idea what it is, and I really want to know if it's like a drugstore or supermarket, so let's go inside. Lots of green trees and the flag of Luxembourg. Found a lot of stickers, and Pina has to decide which kind of magnet she wants. So Pina wants this postcard one, but we think that this is also very cute. So, What do you see on this? Tu regardes, portez-vous sur l'autre, sur le monde. Pretty houses. The color of this building kind of reminds me of the buildings in Stockholm. So to everyone who has watched my videos, my Stockholm vlogs, can you agree? Goodness gracious, what a view! They have so many cinnamon buns, and Pina wants this, the red velvet roll. They're even vegan, like these three.
Yep, I have an idea.
Or this. So this was our day in Luxembourg, and we hope you enjoyed watching, and see you in our next video hopefully. Bye bye!
Tschüssi!